Join me as I try to piece together the mystery behind the deadly KLM and Pan Am crash and figure out what really went wrong. On March 27, 1977, one of the deadliest aviation accidents in history took place at Los Rodeos Airport on the Spanish island of Tenerife. Two Boeing 747s, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736, collided on a runway, resulting in 583 fatalities. The incident sent shockwaves around the world, and it remains one of the most bizarre and avoidable disasters in aviation history. In the midst of this tragedy, multiple factors converged to create the perfect storm. A series of miscommunications and misunderstandings between air traffic control, the KLM pilot, and the Pan Am pilot set the stage for the disaster. The complexity of air traffic control at the time played a significant role, with multiple aircraft waiting to take off or land on the single runway. The KLM pilot, anxious to depart, began taxiing down the runway without explicit clearance, while the Pan Am pilot, still on the runway, was instructed to turn off onto a taxiway. Meanwhile, the air traffic controller, overwhelmed with the number of aircraft in the vicinity, inadvertently created confusion by not providing clear instructions to either pilot. The KLM pilot, mistakenly believing he had clearance to take off, began his roll, while the Pan Am pilot, uncertain about the KLM's intentions, slowed down to ensure a safe distance. The resulting chaos led to one of the most catastrophic aviation accidents in history. As we delve deeper into the events surrounding the crash, we find that multiple factors contributed to the tragedy. Weather conditions played a significant role, with dense fog reducing visibility to mere meters. Human error, on the part of both pilots and air traffic control, further complicated the situation. The airport's infrastructure, designed to accommodate fewer aircraft, struggled to cope with the increased traffic, leading to a breakdown in communication and coordination. The critical moment arrived when the KLM pilot, still accelerating down the runway, spotted the Pan Am 747 directly in his path. Despite his last-ditch effort to take evasive action, it was too late. The collision occurred, and the resulting fireball engulfed both aircraft. The decisions made by both pilots in those final moments would haunt them forever, a devastating reminder of the importance of clear communication in aviation. The crash of the KLM and Pan Am flights on that fateful day in 1977 led to a monumental shift in aviation safety regulations and practices. The disaster highlighted the need for standardized communication protocols, improved air traffic control procedures, and enhanced pilot training. These lessons learned have since saved countless lives, and they will continue to shape the aviation industry for generations to come. As we reflect on this tragic event, I invite you to share your thoughts on aviation safety in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more historical aviation content and to stay tuned for upcoming releases. Thanks for watching.